So again, we narrow down again to the capture part, the camera part. One thing is to record. If I'm to describe the pipeline of a good video, the pipeline is you record it, you edit it, then you could potentially publish it. You know, so somebody might be good at camera handling, but you get stuck at editing what he has captured. So we need both skills. You need to be able to record. There are jobs that we go to record, and then we are stuck in it. Before, when the recording, this thing was on tapes, when we record, to even transfer it to the laptop, we could take weeks. But now it's recorded on the memory card. So if you finish recording, you can immediately put it on your laptop. So it's one thing to have recording skills, it's another thing to have editing skills. So I'm praying that we can get into both, but it will be a function of how fast we can go as a team, you know, to see how much details we can get into.